Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be going over a trade that I did today, and the trade that did bring my funded back in profit to $700. It was a 100-point trade on 5 micros, and as you see, it did hit. We didn't go in any drawdown. It was clean. Actually, no, we did go into 10 points of drawdown, but it was clean. It was calculated. It was a pretty good trade. One that did follow my bias from yesterday, as I did say that we would chop up during London, which we did chop, chop, chop. We'd sweep this high, right? Push all the way up. We did this pre-market, we didn't do this New York Open, but we'd sweep this, we go all the way up, and then we would go down, expand all the way down. And as you see, expanded approximately like what, a couple hundred, like 400 points down today. Um, and I do think that we are actually heading into this imbalance right here. I'm still super bearish. I really want us to tap in this imbalance. It's a clear draw, and it's something that should be filled, um, especially during what's it called, as the week ends. But yeah, let's go through the trade. So I was watching the charts since like 8:30. So um, yeah, essentially what I was looking for. I was just gonna wait for market open, and I was gonna try and get in on something. Um, if you look here, we do have uh here. Let me delete all this stuff. So remove drawing. So here, as you see here, we did have 18 open right here. We have uh New York from yesterday. I believe we sweep that pre-market. Oh yeah. And we also have midnight from yesterday. Sweep that. We have here, as you look here. So I was kind of just marking out these opens. So we did sweep. We went back up. And when we did go back up, what we did sweep, we swept midnight open, pre-market. And then as soon as market open, as you see, huge, we have this huge just dump, like this continuation of this dump that was happening pre-market. I was watching a pre-market. I knew we wanted to dump, and obviously because we took these um, three relative equal highs, we would obviously want to go down. We took those equal highs. We filled my bias. The only thing that I wanted us more to do, but I wouldn't really mind. I would be fine if it didn't exactly tap into was the CE of this. As you see, we didn't fully tap into it, but we did get close to it. We edged it a little bit. But yeah, so essentially what we did, we tapped in this order block, right? 4 hour order block. We did tap in this 1 hour order block too. Just tons of just like liquidity being taken out here. Um, and then what I was looking for essentially, oh yeah, I forgot to mention it was also aligned with my OTE. Oh, this is not OTE. Hold on, how do I? So, oh, it seems I didn't save my OTE. Where did it go? Well, I'm gonna add my OTE here. I don't know where it went. I think it just deleted. Here, I think if I Control Z it all back before I deleted everything. There you go. Let me just click this OTE. Save this. I think I deleted it. Anyways, so getting back to what I was saying. So we were doing this, let's just remove the drawing. So we had those opens, right? We had the order block, we had everything. We also had hourly, OTE. See, literally tap into it. So it's like this stuff is just so textbook. We have 15-minute OTE too. If you go here, um, and even for the retrace that I got on, which was down here, you could use OTE for that too. If you just did this, as you see, we did tap in equilibrium OT, equilibrium, push past it a little bit. But yeah, basically, so we had a ton of just aligning stuff, PD arrays up here. I would ideally have wanted to go to entry up here, but I was looking for a change of state of delivery entry. So once we started going down, I was looking for a retrace here, and I actually wasn't looking at the charts. I wasn't really focusing, and I didn't see that we had this change of state of delivery right here. I would have put my entry here and just same TP targeted like maybe this low right here to get taken out, or maybe could have targeted Asia low all the way down there, which was obviously like 400 points, which is insane. Um, yeah, so we just had a bunch of OTU being lined up, everything, liquidity getting taken out, open getting taken out. These we took London, pre-London highs. We also took we just took a lot of liquidity. We didn't take this high yet from yesterday, but that is fine because as we started going down, we did sweep, I believe. If you look right here, that is, hold up, yeah. So as we pumped up, we came back down. We sweep this midnight open, right? So after we sweep this, what I was looking for, oh, and we sleep, sorry, Asia low. So after this, what I was looking for, I was really looking for a push back up, and we did. We got that retrace after we swept. I didn't want to short going into after we swept Asia. As you see, it's right here. There was no really retrace to get into up here. So I kind of just waited for us to come back before we distributed down again. We came. I was looking either we take 930 high, New York high, or we could go all the way for London highs, either or. But whatever one, I was kind of just looking for the one with the bearish confluence. So I used a 1 minute OTE. So I was pretty bearish over here, looking for something over here, and we get something over here. We tap, put entry right here, 10-point stop. Here, I put it at this order block, so, and I put 20-point stop, not 10-point, and then I just targeted all the way down here. Sorry, targeted these lows to get taken out. We hit full TP, we're up on the day, and if you look at my calendar, see, we are up on our 5th day of trading, we're up 700, so yeah, let's get it. Thank you for watching, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sorry, Monday.